Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Honda Civic SR. Now, of course, this is finished in brilliant sporty blue, and you do get your daytime running lights in LEDs. You then also get front parking sensors. You get these freshly refurbished 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern. Now, of course, these have all been painted piano black. And coming around to the rear, you've also got your rear parking sensors. You've then got your reversing camera just up at the top there as well. Then coming into the rear, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've then also got your pull-out privacy shelf just here, which clamps in to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Then coming out to the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all round. You then in the front, we have your CVT gearbox in the middle, your electric handbrake just here with brake hold, dual climate control which can be operated via the touchscreen display, and then within here we have your satellite navigation. We've then got your various audio sources just there. And of course, we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free, which you can see just there. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant, and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment screen and onboard computer. Over to the right, we have your adaptive cruise control settings with lane keep assist and distance control. You've got full automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Civic has done 59,978 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the lash remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.